We made Caesar salad with fresh dressing and fresh croutons. You're gonna love this recipe. Dyan's gonna show you how to do it along with me. It's gonna be awesome. I hope you watch this video.
I learned how to do it. Honestly, I think you're gonna love it. It's the best Caesar salad dressing I've ever tasted, ever.
First of all, I'm so honored and excited to have my dear friend Dyan Cannon joining me in my kitchen today. She is a very good friend and such an inspiration and such an amazing woman of God and such a bright light. Everywhere you go, you fill the room with light and joy and happiness and the presence of God. And love, love, love. This woman represents love. And I'm so excited
to know one, doesn't it?
Yes, and we are blessed. I'm so excited to show her today just some simple stuff. We're just gonna make a simple classic Caesar salad, but a little bit on the lighter side because that's the way I do it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with
Caesar salad.
Yeah, right?
Okay.
It doesn't.
I've never learned how to do it.
Really? And there's so many ways you can make a Caesar salad, but I figured we'll just keep it simple.
Okay.
As simple as possible.
Okay.
But we're gonna start with the croutons because I've got to have croutons in a Caesar salad. I don't know about you.
For the crunch, yeah.
For the crunch, right? Okay, so the ingredients in our croutons, we're just gonna do a little bit of sourdough bread.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you how to cut that up. I've got olive oil, garlic powder, and a little bit of dried parsley, and then just some salt and pepper. Now we could add other things to this. We could put Parmesan cheese, we could put fresh garlic. I have fresh garlic here if you want. There's lots of things you can add to your croutons. We're keeping it simple. And Dyan, if you want to add something, if you want a little spice, we can put a little chili flake or cayenne, or we can keep it basic. I'm willing to bet you've made croutons before.
I have.
She has not made croutons before. Okay, so we're gonna it's simple.
I buy them. It's so much easier.
So easy to make, Dyan.
Okay, good.
Literally like 15 minutes, we're gonna have fresh, beautiful croutons.
And I'm gonna eat them all.
Yeah, they're good. And we can have 2 batches because I cut up some before you got here. So first step is we wanna learn to hold the chef's knife properly. So thumb here, forefinger here. Have you done that?
Done nothing. Okay.
Thumb here for, yep, good, you got it. Okay, so what I learned in culinary school years ago is we eat with our eyes first, and you want everything to be cut almost in the same shape and size if you're doing something like a soup or a vegetable crudité or whatever it is. Here we're doing croutons, so we don't want a bunch of different size squares. So I'm just gonna start here, right? So I did these are my starting point, right? So then I'm gonna stick it here, and I'm just gonna go, okay, it's about the same width, and I'm just gonna cut down this way.
That's interesting.
So that's how you're just gonna, they do this in baking, right? Everybody does it. So now we've got this one. This could be our guide. It's a little big, but that's okay.
Oh, that's interesting.
You cut the rest of them.
With my thin hand.
And just match it. No. You wanna match it right exactly. Yes, there you go. Yeah, and whoa. This is your guide.
See, you've gotta have patience to cook the way you want to cook.
Yeah. Right? Don't cut yourself. Oh, she scares me. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, look at that. We did it. And now they're all about the same size. That's just a way to do it the same size.
Don't think I'm weird because I clap, but I've never cut a piece of bread that makes a crouton. And everything is a new adventure, and I'm really excited about it.
Good. So then I go, okay, I'm gonna cut this into thirds now because I want this shape, right?
Okay.
So we're just gonna go here. I'll give you this half, and I'll do this half. So I just kind of look at it and go, okay, I'm gonna do it into thirds. So go ahead, cut it into thirds the way I showed you with holding the knife. She's good, people. Yep, and then one more. Okay, and now look at your croutons. They're all about the same size.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah,
look at that. And we both cut them.
Yeah.
That's pretty exciting.
It's pretty good. So now they're all gonna go in the bowl. All right.
In the bowl.
Into the bowl. So simple, so easy. Okay, Dyan, if you can put the olive oil, just drizzle it on the top there. We're making homemade croutons. Good. Okay. And then
drizzled.
She drizzled. That's right. And that's extra virgin olive oil. It's incredible. This is garlic powder. We're getting the garlic powder in. If your garlic powder or whatever has gotten clumpy, you want to pat it down. You want it powdery.
That's good. Should I put this in?
Yeah.
This is the dried parsley.
Yeah, just to add a little color. That's why I did that. Yeah.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, ma'am. Go for it. Good.
So exciting.
And we got the garlic powder. I'll put the garlic in since I'm the Italian here, okay? All right, here we go. Just give it a nice toss.
Okay.
And she, yeah, you never know, okay? Her name is not Dyan Cannon for nothing.
You see, this is a Laker championship ring, so I'm a sports girl. She says, give it a toss. Well,
Do I know my guests or do I know my guests?
isn't that extraordinary? I mean, that's who she is.
I knew
That's
you were
who this
coming to
girl
cook,
is.
and I
Purple
said,
and gold, Lakers. Yay!
Lakers. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Preheat your oven to 375.
Okay.
And then we've got this all prepped. Okay. So now we're gonna put it onto our baking sheet.
This is, what do you call this?
It's pomegranate juice.
Pomegranate. That's what she calls it.
Cheers to everyone. We're drinking
It is. It's
pomegranate juice.
pomegranate juice.
Okay, so there you go. There's the croutons. It's not a lot, and they're not covered in a ton of oil, but we don't need a ton of oil. Who says we need
Maybe
a
it
ton?
should have been 2 of these.
You could increase it. I'm going a little lighter because the recipes that I'm trying to show everyone is the stuff I do to maintain. You know, I lost 35 pounds many years ago.
I know.
Yeah.
Hard to believe.
Yeah. So anyways, okay. So these are gonna go in the oven I'm gonna put them in for 5 minutes, check them, we're gonna toss them, and then cook them another 5 minutes. We're putting these in the oven at 375. Just slide them in. There you go. You know, halfway through, you always want to
stir.
kind of give them something. Yeah.
A little shake and bake.
Yeah. And they're fine. Yeah, they're gonna need at least another 5 to 8 minutes. They're done. Okay, so the croutons are made. We're gonna set them aside and let them
Yay.
cool. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh! Oh my God, my first homemade crouton. I love it.
Right? And it didn't need that much oil. Oh,
Huh?
so crunchy.
So crunchy.
Okay, you guys, 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side is perfect. Okay, so we're gonna make a Caesar salad, and here are the ingredients. I keep walking around with this ridiculous romaine lettuce.
Okay.
So what I have is romaine, 1 head of romaine lettuce. We're gonna use the juice of a lemon, some anchovy paste instead of whole anchovies. We've got anchovy paste.
Oh, I didn't know you could do that.
It's anchovy paste. Yep.
Okay.
Great. So easy. I have a little water on the side just because if you want to like make your dressing a little thicker or less thicker, you've got the water to add in there if you want. Fresh garlic, 1 clove of garlic minced. I've got some Worcestershire sauce. I've got Dijon mustard, a little bit of Parmesan cheese actually that's going to go in the dressing, and then extra Parmesan cheese to sprinkle on top of the whole salad. We have mayonnaise. You could use vegan mayonnaise or regular.
Or egg yolks.
Or egg yolks, yes. And then we've got olive oil, and then I love to add some Tabasco into my Caesar salad. I do that.
Gives it a bite.
Gives it a nice, yes, I love it. And then we've got, of course, sea salt and fresh cracked pepper. Okay? So do you do this? Do you do this when you?
No, why would I do that?
I don't know. I don't know how much you cook. I know you make amazing brownies.
Sweetheart, I don't really cook. Because I'm on the go so much that I have a woman that comes and cooks for me once a week, and then she puts it in the fridge.
And that's it.
But I like learning.
Yeah.
I'm a student of anything.
She is
where I
an
can
amazing
learn.
student, and you're an amazing teacher. Okay, so here's the lemon. You want it room temperature. That's best.
Do you do to make it softer?
So what I'm gonna do is, it was in the fridge unfortunately, but you're better off with the room temperature lemon. But what I do is you just take it, I mean everyone does this, and you just roll, just give it a nice little roll. That way you're getting the juice going before you even cut
I
it.
didn't know that.
Really?
Love it. I
That's so
never
great.
heard it,
Oh,
never
look at-
saw it.
Smell now. Oh, that's so good.
Oh my gosh.
I
I'm juicing
would-
a lemon, and you would know
juicing a
I'm juicing a lemon.
I think this is cute right here. And this matches a little bit. I'm just saying all we need is, oh look at purple and yellow.
Purple and gold.
Okay, we've got pomegranate juice and lemon. We've got purple and yellow roses. We are
That's so
making
good.
a whole Laker thing going on. Oh boy. Okay. What
Look
I
at
love about
that.
this little guy is, okay, so we're at 1 ounce. We're at 2 tablespoons. All right, what I do, some people like to go down the middle. I'm
Oh,
not
I
doing
like
that.
the sideways. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, no, they go down the middle and then they cut sideways. I'm just gonna go this way.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do it this way. Diane, if you can, yeah, thank you, my friend. Right? You can just put this here for a second. The croutons
That's
are
nice,
incredible.
Romaine.
Oh yeah. We got this from Vicente Foods. So beautiful. Have you done that?
Never.
Really?
I'm doing it now.
Well, Dyan Cannon, she's spinning salad.
Drying lettuce.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is easy. Mine have to go around and around and around. Oh my God, this is so easy.
I think that is 10 years old, that salad spinner. Now what I like to do is just put it in a pretty bowl Thank you, Diane. Let's get to the dressing. Let's get to the brass tacks, okay? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get everything in there. So 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh squeezed. Go ahead and let's get that mayo in there. You can scrape that in there. Yep, good.
Mayo, but you could use egg yolk.
You could use egg yolk.
She taught me that.
Yeah.
Olive oil?
We're gonna do olive oil. You can get that in there for me. Anchovy paste, go that way so they could see you, honey.
Go what way?
To them.
Hi. She wants me
Anchovy
to say hi.
paste.
Anchovy paste.
There you go. Worcestershire sauce.
Glad you told me what that was. It didn't look like that.
Yep.
Okay,
Okay.
Worcestershire
I'm gonna
sauce?
put the garlic in.
Okay.
'Cause, you know, I'm all about the garlic. Okay.
Okay.
Dijon mustard.
Okay.
Squish it in there with a spoon. Get it in there. And then I put a little dash of Tabasco in there. I'm going to, let's get some Parmesan cheese in
Oh
there.
yeah.
Whisk.
Like that?
Yeah.
I'm whisking.
She's whisking. Woo! We're making homemade Caesar dressing.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Caesar salad is one of my favorite things in the world. I want to make oatmeal cookies.
Oh, great, let's do it. That's really
Oh.
good. High five. Woo!
I just died and went to heaven.
All right, so we made Caesar salad dressing. You're gonna love it. I promise you.
Oh, it's so good.
It really is. So we'll just go ahead and, you wanna dress it?
Dress it. That is so cute. Like, dress it.
Just dress your
So
salad.
like put it around like that.
Yeah, I would go, oh, okay, that's a way to do it too. That works too. Beautiful. All right, so you want to put some, a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there. We've got some fresh grated Parmesan cheese.
Right.
And then, yeah, I would just sprinkle it on. And then we just can give it a nice,
Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry.
right?
I wasn't, now I am. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, there you go. We got it.
One for the
Beautiful. One for the road. Cracked pepper, because nothing is complete without a little bit of cracked pepper.
Okay.
And then a little bit of sea salt. Yep, and she loves the Parmesan cheese, and you can use that because I allotted for that in this recipe.
Oh, and the recipe, so we can use it all.
Yeah, here it is. A simple, fast, and easy Caesar salad recipe with fresh homemade croutons.
That's what good food does to me. It makes me dance.
There you go. Me too.
Thank you, God, for this food. Thank you for this beautiful food. Thank you, Christine, for teaching me and so many how to make the best Caesar salad I've ever tasted.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.